Rolling offset, probably the hardest bend to do. Alright, we'll first start off by changing the slope to, say, 30 degrees. Alright, and now we will draw a conduit. Start up at 9 feet and come down to 8 feet. So what we need to do here now is that I've got the pipe at 30 degrees. So what we need to do is have a section cut. And when you're doing the section cut, you need to make sure that view depth is past the end of the conduit here. Alright. We'll have to go to section cut. Make sure you're on wireframe. Grab the conduit. Rotate. Put it on the center of the conduit. And then pick the center of the other conduit. And now we can trim two conduits together. And you have a rolling offset.